You really help me and assist me and all the processing, and not just processing, like you have an impact in my life.
Imagine na initially I did not manifested it, but you initiated that manifestation for me to proceed with my NCLEX processing. So, kinikilabutan pa rin ako until now. I'm really having goosebumps right now. So, thank you, Nasha.
Maganda sa Nasha was, they were updating me all the time.
Ang masasabi ko lang is yung time management lang, and then alamin mo yung goal mo talaga.
Fear not. Sabi nga sa Bible, fear. So do not fear because I am with you. Do not say because I am your God. I will help you. Just remember Bible verses that will lead you and help.
Plan to take the NCLEX. Ito lang message ko. Huwag kayong matakot. Huwag kayong matakot sa NCLEX. Just go for it and take the exam. Kasi medyo yun eh. Yun yung nagpapapigil sa atin. Yung takot natin na medyo mahirap yung NCLEX. Kaya siya, possible siya, kaya siyang ipasa.
Kailangan po talaga ng sacrifice eh. Hindi naman lang palagi ka magsasacrifice. A little sacrifice lang. Pagkatapos naman dyan nga makuha mo na yung title na USRN.
Sa akin, nag-work sa akin as long as I am physically and mentally prepared for review. That's the time na nag-review lang ako. Hindi ko pinipressure yung sarili ko na I have to finish this.
Hindi mo talaga malalaman lahat. Pero kung iintindihin mo rin talaga, kailangan mo talaga internalize para malaman mo rin talaga. And then mag-start ka talaga sa pinaka-foundation ng nursing.
I have so much to say about Nasha, but then I am out of words. I really encourage you all nurses to choose Nasha as your partner in your dreams to become an US.
Kasi Nasha naman po is very accommodating naman po. And then, ang maganda po kasi sa Nasha, ibigay mo lang lahat ng documents, sila nang bahala. They do all the work po.
Parang nag-focus na lang talaga ako sa review. Parang yung Nasha na gumawa ng lahat. Yun talaga, grateful talaga ako. Hindi ako nahirapan. Walang hassle sa akin kasi parang Nasha na ang problema.
And grateful that I found Nasha. There is an unlimited access to review materials as well and practice tests. And mas cheaper siya compared actually dun sa ibang mga nagpa-process ng NCLEX application.
Yeah, like most of the time they do all the work for me po talaga, and I'm so thankful for Nasha.
You made things easier for me kasi nangangapa talaga ako. I really don't know what are the requirements and you are very efficient. I would like to commend you on that. So thank you so much for assisting me.
Nasha is so great. Truly, very professional po sa pag-assist ng papers starting step 1. So, very kind po ng mga staff po ng Nasha team.
If you are planning to take the NCLEX exam, I recommend to join Nasha teams. Your half or journey, you no need to worry because Nasha team will help you to arrange the exam, to arrange processing for documentation, arranging exam location, date, time. No need to worry.
Nasha is really, really great.
Wow, thank you so much for that.
Yes, I think Nasha is highly commendable. They give you a very smooth and hassle-free services.
Nasha from the start helped me a lot. From processing my papers and updated sila sa mga bagay na kulang sa akin. During the process, until makapasa ako, super consistent si Nasha.
I found your page and without hesitation, I went straight to your office to inquire. I immediately trusted Nasha. To handle all my paperwork. That time I felt so confident that you take care of everything.
Nothing really beats Nasha. You know, they are really quick to respond, really super reliable. They make it easy for you, and I am proud to say that Nasha is really the best.
In-update na ako, sir. Hindi lang ako pinabayaan, sir. Sir, relax ka lang. Manifest na natin yung SRN ka. Tapos mga Sunday, galing akong simba, sir. Nag-email na yung Nasha sa akin. Sir Felix, you passed the exam. And USRN ka na.
You really helped me with the smooth transaction. Back in college, I thought processing for NCLEX was a very tedious thing to do. But you really said na my responsibility is just to study.
Sobrang lucky talaga ako na yung Nasha team yung nag-handle ng documents ko. I didn't even feel any difficulties or headache in processing my documents talaga po. And hassle-free talaga, sobrang bilis po, and really, really reliable talaga po yung Nasha team.
10/10 po, sir, talaga.
And may sample questions pa po yung mobile. Madami po siyang ang features, hindi lang po yung for the project.
And thankfully, ang NASIA talaga is very responsive. Kahit na anong concerns ko, talagang nagre-reply sila. They make any response na ini-expect mo from them.
NASIA has been a big help for me since day one when PIC endorsed me to NASIA. They are really consistent in updating me, guiding me, especially with the mga documents.
Napaka-efficient, sir, actually. Nashock ako kasi hindi ka na nag-update. Parang kayo na ang nag-update sa akin.
Yung thankful ako, sir, kay wala talaga ako hassle na feel gani sa pag-asikaso ninyo. Up to my exam date na parang nag-remind pa kayo anong dalahin ko, anong what to do, what not to do, anong gawin after exam. Even up to now, sir, honestly, ang staff mo or kayo nag-chat pa rin sa akin.
It was really a great experience working with NASIA when it comes to pagpaprocess kasi alam mo yung iba kasi yung may nagpaprocess sa'yo na may kampante ka sa utak mo tapos madali silang kausap, madali mong matawagan, tapos nag-update talaga.
It was really smooth process po, sir, with the help of your NASIA agents po. I even recommended this to my colleagues from my previous work po, na if they're having difficulty in processing or preparing for this exam, I'd recommend NASIA po.
I-recommend ko po talaga, pati sa mga kakilala ko, ang NASIA kasi ang bilis. At saka, kagaya po ng sinabi ko dun sa review, para ka lang nakikipag-usap. Parang ang tumutulong sa'yo is relative mo from other state. Parang ganon.